Yeah, Namibia is really perfect for self-drive tourism. And for that, of course, you need a really reliable car, and a car which is also made for this terrain. The gravel roads have a lot more strain on cars than normal tar roads. So what you definitely need for self-driving, you need a really reliable car, you need good tires, a good suspension, and of course a good equipment also. The strain can be put through really bad roads, or sometimes bad roads, corrugated roads, bumpy roads, a lot of stones.
We have a fleet consisting of about 249 vehicles. We try and keep the fleet as young as possible, of course. We make sure everything is 100% before the vehicle actually gets on the road, yeah?
We do our maintenance, car maintenance ourselves, we wash the cars, we do the camping equipment, we do quality control. All of that is done in-house, and no corners are cut doing this.
As soon as the vehicle arrives back at ASCO, the first thing is the wash-bay guys cleans the vehicle. Then the vehicle comes to the workshop and we do a pre-test on the vehicle to see what went wrong with the vehicle. Is there anything, suspension noises, brake shudders?
The workshop guys then also they will do it whether it's a routine scheduled maintenance or whether it's a checkup to make sure that all the sort of most common moving parts are in order and anything that might look out of place is taken care of. After which they take it for a second test drive and again test it in those conditions to make sure that there's nothing out of place. In between, while the car is at the workshop, the tires get pulled off. We inspect all the tires, make sure that they're balanced, to make sure that we have the condition of the tires is adequate to be sent out again. After that, the car gets fully washed and camping equipped for the next upcoming rental. After which, it is still taken to our quality control department, who will go through the last things like checking battery life, checking that the lights are working, a little bit of fixing little bumps and scratches and anything that are sort of on the surface. And these guys also still do a third test drive to make sure that once the clients sit in the car, it is 100% condition.
With the amount of checks that we do, there is no place where mistakes get lost or something goes missing.
If a client has a breakdown or accident, if they call us, we act immediately. For that we also have a mechanics team that will go out, or we've got a breakdown lorry which can go out and collect the car or change a car. But yeah, for most parts of Namibia we have a 24-hour backup policy, which we even often do in much less of the time. It always depends a bit of the distance away.
We do have our truck, our dyno with our drivers, whether we exchange a vehicle, or our mechanics who can then also repair the vehicles wherever the clients are.